Which biome is known for having the highest biodiversity on Earth? The correct answer is tropical rainforest. What process do phytoplankton primarily use to convert sunlight into energy? The correct answer is photosynthesis. In which ecosystem can the phenomenon of upwelling most commonly be observed? The correct answer is coastal ocean. Which type of symbiotic relationship benefits one organism while the other is harmed? The correct answer is parasitism. What is the primary driver of ocean currents that affects global climate? The correct answer is wind patterns. Which animal is considered a keystone species in many North American ecosystems? The correct answer is beaver. What is the term for the gradual process by which ecosystems change and develop over time? The correct answer is ecological succession. Which gas is a major contributor to the greenhouse effect and climate change? The correct answer is carbon dioxide. What phenomenon occurs when species evolve rapidly in response to environmental changes? The correct answer is adaptive radiation. Which element is a crucial part of chlorophyll necessary for photosynthesis? The correct answer is magnesium. Which marine zone experiences the greatest fluctuations in environmental conditions? The correct answer is intertidal zone. What is the main factor that distinguishes primary succession from secondary succession? The correct answer is presence of soil. Which of the following is a primary consumer in the food chain? The correct answer is rabbit. What is the primary cause of ocean acidification? The correct answer is increased CO2 levels. Which plant process directly contributes to the water cycle through evapotranspiration? The correct answer is transpiration. Which ecosystem is characterized by permafrost and low biodiversity? The correct answer is tundra. Which type of biome is dominated by grasses and has few trees due to periodic fires? The correct answer is savanna. What is the term for substances that cannot be broken down by natural processes? The correct answer is non-biodegradable. Which species is often used as an indicator of water quality in aquatic ecosystems? The correct answer is amphibians. Which layer of the atmosphere contains the ozone layer that protects life on Earth? The correct answer is stratosphere. Which invasive species has caused significant damage to the Great Lakes ecosystem? The correct answer is zebra mussel. What is the primary energy source driving the Earth's climate system? The correct answer is solar radiation. Which nutrient cycle involves the conversion of atmospheric nitrogen into a usable form by plants? The correct answer is nitrogen cycle. Which process results in the accumulation of toxic substances in the food chain? The correct answer is biomagnification. What is the main function of wetlands in an ecosystem? The correct answer is water filtration. Which phenomenon describes the warming of Earth's surface due to trapped heat? The correct answer is greenhouse effect. Which of the following is an abiotic factor in an ecosystem? The correct answer is temperature. What is the role of decomposers in an ecosystem? The correct answer is breaking down organic matter. Which type of ecological pyramid represents the amount of energy available at each trophic level? The correct answer is pyramid of energy. What is the primary purpose of a wildlife corridor? The correct answer is connecting fragmented habitats. Which ecological concept explains the regulation of population size by environmental factors? The correct answer is carrying capacity. Which biogeochemical cycle is primarily driven by photosynthesis and respiration? The correct answer is carbon cycle. What is the primary effect of deforestation on carbon storage? The correct answer is reduction of carbon storage. Which process is responsible for the conversion of nitrates back into nitrogen gas in the atmosphere? The correct answer is denitrification. Which marine phenomenon is characterized by a sudden increase in phytoplankton? The correct answer is algal bloom. What is the term for a species whose presence and role within an ecosystem has a disproportionate effect on other species? The correct answer is keystone species. Which natural process leads to the formation of soil from rock? The correct answer is weathering. Which type of forest is characterized by trees that lose their leaves annually? The correct answer is deciduous forest. Which concept refers to the variety of life and its processes within ecosystems? The correct answer is biodiversity. Which organism is most likely at the base of an aquatic food web? The correct answer is phytoplankton. Which process in the nitrogen cycle involves the conversion of ammonia into nitrites and nitrates? The correct answer is nitrification. What is the primary cause of coral bleaching? The correct answer is increased sea temperatures. Which natural phenomenon can help increase biodiversity by creating new habitats? The correct answer is volcanic eruption. Which of the following is a major consequence of habitat fragmentation? The correct answer is loss of genetic diversity. Which type of organism breaks down dead material, recycling nutrients back into the ecosystem? The correct answer is decomposer. Which term describes a non-native species that spreads rapidly and causes harm to the environment? The correct answer is invasive species. Which animal is known for its role in dispersing seeds in tropical rainforests? The correct answer is fruit bat. What is the primary factor that determines the structure of a terrestrial biome? The correct answer is climate. Which type of symbiosis involves one organism benefiting while the other is unaffected? The correct answer is commensalism.